How to get cheap insurance quotes. Before anything else, this video is not telling you to not get car insurance. It simply informs you of the possible drawbacks of auto insurance. Car owners should have sufficient information about auto insurance to preclude costly mistakes. The first thing you have to do to avoid major mistakes in auto insurance is to shop wisely. The rule is that car owners should obtain insurance for their vehicles. But there are a few people who are ignorant of their legal obligation. State requirements for auto insurance are not that demanding anyway. In fact, a lot of car owners buy insurance products whose coverage exceeds the minimum requirements. Insurance on your car is determined by a number of factors like your age, gender, marital status, type of car, profession, and credit rating. These factors will determine the cost of your insurance, specifically the premiums you will be paying. You need an insurance agent to do the computation for you. Take note that this computation is simply an estimate of what your premiums would most likely be. There are cases when the actual premiums turn out to be different from the quotes resulting from initial computations. Make sure you present correct information to the agent when obtaining a quote. Some car owners do not know what coverage to get. Some simply obtain the minimum coverage required in the state they live in, but the state minimum requirement is often insufficient to cover common damages to automobiles. For instance, liability coverage is what most states require, but this coverage only covers the liability you sustain after bumping into another person's car. In cases of collision, your car may sustain damages too. Collision coverage makes you eligible to receive reimbursement for repairs on your own car. Another type of coverage is called comprehensive coverage, which allows you to get reimbursement if your car is damaged by flood or fire. There is a reason insurers have agents. These professionals help you address your common misunderstandings and questions. Of course, there are different types of car insurance, and you most likely would be confused about what insurance product to obtain. An experienced agent can help you settle your mind on the matter. A trustworthy agent will definitely be able to help you in determining the appropriate coverage for you. Insurance products can look attractive on the website of the insurer, luring you to obtain the product right away, even if its cost is no longer economical for you. At times, failure to watch the details of an insurance policy makes you vulnerable to disconcerting surprises at some point in the future. So watch the clauses and find out how much premium you would actually be paying and how you would claim reimbursement. More importantly, watch the limitations of the coverage so that you would know when you can and cannot demand for claims. Details for such limitations are stipulated in the terms and conditions of the auto insurance policy.